Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase your iPhone's touch sensitivity. If your iPhone screen isn't responding properly to your touches, this quick and simple method can help fix that. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone. From there, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Once you're in Accessibility, go to Physical and Motor, then select Touch. Here you'll see an option called Touch Accommodations. Make sure this setting is turned off, because enabling it can slow down or reduce your iPhone's touch responsiveness. Below that, you'll also see additional options. One of them is Hold Duration, which controls how long you need to press on the screen before your iPhone registers the touch. Make sure Hold Duration is turned off. Also ensure that Ignore Repeat is turned off as well. Basically, to get the best touch sensitivity, everything on this page should be disabled so your iPhone can register touches quickly and accurately. After doing this, your touch sensitivity should improve. However, if you're still experiencing issues, you may want to consider changing your screen protector, as some low-quality protectors can reduce touch responsiveness. And that's how you can increase iPhone touch sensitivity. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments, give the video a like, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.